How to use OneDrive Camera Upload. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to use the camera upload on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to upload, by using the camera of the OneDrive, tap on the plus button right here at the bottom. Select it. Then here you can find the scan option right here. Tap on it. Now simply click the document or the whiteboard. The option is right here. You can also scan the business card or the photo right here. Now from here, simply click the photo and you will simply upload the document onto OneDrive. Just like this. It will scan and simply upload it onto the OneDrive. And that's it. This is how you can use OneDrive Camera Upload. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.